Hi class, today I want to learn all about you. Some of you will get this lesson on Thursday, August 6th, and some of you will get this lesson on Friday, August 7th. All about you. You're going to play a video to listen to me teach this lesson, so that helps in case you don't want to do all the reading, or in case you still don't understand, you can play the video again and listen to me teach. If we were at school, we would be using this week to choose our learning spaces and getting our materials ready. Even though you are at home, I still want us to do those things to get ready for a wonderful year of learning together. So this activity is called thumbs up or thumbs down. Thumbs up is for yes, and thumbs down is for no. I know that I can't see you, but that's okay because you can still play at home. Would you like to work here on a beanbag chair? Thumbs up for yes, thumbs down for no. Would you like to work here at this desk? Thumbs up for yes, thumbs down for no. Would you like to work here on these puzzle pieces? Thumbs up is yes, thumbs down is no. What about here on a stool? Would you like to work here? Thumbs up for yes, thumbs down for no. Would you like to work here at this computer chair? Maybe you spin in circles. Thumbs up for yes, thumbs down for no. Would you like to work here on these super interesting stools? Thumbs up for yes, thumbs down for no. Would you like to work here? What about here? Thumbs up for yes, thumbs down for no. Would you like to work here on a wiggle seat? We put this bumpy side up on a chair. Thumbs up for yes, thumbs down for no. Would you like to work here on this couch? How about here at a table together in a group? Thumbs up for yes, thumbs down for no. Would you like to learn like this? So now I want to know, would you like to sit outside on the grass to do any reading? How about this? Would you like to learn like this at a desk? Thumbs up for yes, thumbs down for no. Would you like to learn like this at a standing desk? Thumbs up for yes, thumbs down for no. How about here on these bouncy balls? How about learning on the carpet? Thumbs up for yes, thumbs down for no. Now it's your turn. I want you to take a picture of your work chair or desk. I want you to take a picture of where you sit to work. Not the table, but the actual seating. So sometimes I sit in a chair, sometimes I sit on my couch. I want you to take a picture of where you work, where you sit, and attach it in this space. So now I'm going to show you how to do that. First, you need to take a picture with your device. An iPad is really easy for doing this. You can even use Mom or Dad's phone. Then what you're going to do is insert. You want to insert or put a picture here on this slide. So insert. Now what we're going to insert is an image or a picture. Hopefully you already took that picture because you can't insert an image if you don't have a picture that you took. Now later on in the year, we might talk about how to insert a video. You already know how to insert a shape, even audio. But for now, we're going to practice just inserting an image, and we're going to upload it from the computer. So I clicked on that, and then what you are going to see is all the choices from your own computer. Well, my computer has a lot of things on it, but what I might do is go to my pictures over on the side, and then I would go down, and here is a picture, but that's not what I want. I want a picture of you in your learning space. So let me show you that one more time. You're going to insert image, and upload from your computer. Then all you have to do is double click on the one you want to insert. Now, I told you it's the wrong one for me. It's just a picture of my face, which we don't want. So you can make it smaller, as you just saw. You click on the corner, and you can make it bigger. Whoa! Or you can make it smaller. You can even make it longer. Whoa! Or shorter. And you can even click on it and put it right in the middle if you want. I'm going to delete it because that's not what I asked. I asked for where you sit. But now you know that to insert an image or picture, you click Insert, Image, and Upload from your computer. Hopefully now you understand, and I get to see where you work each and every day. Okay, have a look around your house and take a picture of where you sit. If you have more than one place you sit to work, wonderful. Sometimes we need to get up and move around. Take a picture of both. I can't wait to see what you show me. Bye.